Just when you thought AI couldn't get any better, Nvidia drops NVLM 1.0, turning the industry on its head. Known for being the front runner in AI innovation, Nvidia has consistently pushed boundaries, and NVLM 1.0 is no exception. This new model has quickly captured attention for its groundbreaking capabilities, making waves in both vision, language, and text-based tasks. What makes NVLM 1.0 so revolutionary? It's not just another AI model. It's a game-changer that rivals even giants like GPT-4 and Llama 3V by seamlessly integrating vision and language tasks. NVLM 1.0 redefines what we thought was possible. Imagine an AI that can not only analyze images, but also solve complex math problems and improve coding performance, all while outperforming its competitors. The industry hasn't seen anything quite like it, and it's sparking conversations about the future of AI. What exactly is NVLM 1.0? In simple terms, NVLM 1.0 is a frontier-class multimodal large language model, LLM. Multimodal models handle both text and visual inputs, excelling at tasks that require an understanding of both formats. While similar models exist, NVLM 1.0 stands out by not just competing with, but often outperforming the biggest names in AI, such as GPT-4 and NVL2. One of the most exciting aspects of NVLM 1.0 is its dual strength. Unlike many multimodal models that experience a drop in text-based performance after training, NVLM 1.0 defies expectations by boosting accuracy on math and coding benchmarks by an impressive 4.3 points. This is a game-changer for researchers and industries that rely heavily on text-based tasks. Open-source power. Democratizing AI. In a move that has thrilled the AI community, Nvidia has made NVLM 1.0 open source. Its model weights and training code are freely available through Megatron Core, Nvidia's cutting-edge AI platform. This decision democratizes access to state-of-the-art AI technology, empowering researchers, developers, and organizations to innovate without barriers. Nvidia, which builds some of the most highly sought-after GPUs in the AI industry, has announced that it has released an open-source large language model that reportedly performs on par with leading proprietary models from OpenAI, Anthropic, Meta, and Google. The company introduced its new NVLM 1.0 family in a recently released white paper, and it's spearheaded by the 72 billion parameter NVLM D-72B model. We introduce NVLM 1.0, a family of frontier-class multimodal large language models that achieve state-of-the-art results on vision language tasks, rivaling the leading proprietary models, e.g., GPT-4o, and open-access models, the researchers wrote. The new model family is reportedly already capable of production-grade multimodality, with exceptional performance across a variety of vision and language tasks, in addition to improved text-based responses compared to the base LLM that the NVLM family is based on. To achieve this, we craft and integrate a high-quality text-only dataset into multimodal training alongside a substantial amount of multimodal math and reasoning data, leading to enhanced math and coding capabilities across modalities, the researchers explained. Benchmark performance, raising the bar. When it comes to performance, NVLM 1.0 dominates. On OCR Bench, which tests optical character recognition, and VQA V2, a benchmark for visual question answering, NVLM 1.0 achieves state-of-the-art results. But it doesn't stop there. It also excelled in MathVista, ChartQA, and DocVQA, proving its prowess in reasoning and multimodal tasks. Competing with AI giants, GPT-4o, widely considered a leader in AI, GPT-4o now faces serious competition as NVLM matches or even surpasses its performance on most key benchmarks. NVL2, shows significant degradation in text-based tasks like MMLU and human evil, making NVLM's consistent excellence across both modalities even more remarkable. Llama 3V. While this highly anticipated model has yet to release its weights, it avoids degradation in text-based tasks by freezing its backbone during multimodal training. However, it does not achieve the same growth seen in NVLM. The secret behind NVLM 1.0's success, NVLM 1.0's success lies in its cutting-edge architecture. Nvidia has combined the best elements of two popular design approaches, decoder-only models like Llama and cross-attention-based models like Flamingo. This hybrid architecture enhances training efficiency and multimodal capabilities. Another standout feature is the 1D tile tagging design, which dramatically improves NVLM's ability to process high-resolution images for tasks like OCR and dynamic image reasoning. This innovation makes the model invaluable for industries like document analysis and visual data processing. Nvidia unveiled NVLM 1.0, an open-source multimodal large language model (LLM) that performs on both vision language and text-only tasks. NVLM 1.0 shows improvements in text-based tasks after multimodal training, standing out among current models. The model weights are now available on Hugging Face, with the training code set to be released shortly. NVLM 1.0 has been evaluated against proprietary and open-access multimodal models and performs well on both vision language and text-only tasks. In particular, the NVLM 1.0-D72B model shows an average 4.3-point improvement in accuracy on math and coding tasks after multimodal training. This contrasts with models like NVL2-Llama 3-76B, which lose performance in text-only tasks following multimodal training. The text improvements seen in NVLM suggest that its architecture manages multimodal data effectively without undermining its original language abilities. The NVLM 1.0-D72B model is not just about text. It handles a wide range of multimodal tasks. These include object localization, reasoning, OCR optical character recognition, and even coding tasks based on visual inputs. The model can interpret complex scenarios such as understanding visual humor or answering location-sensitive questions in images. Its ability to perform mathematical reasoning based on handwritten pseudocode, as well as its handling of other multimodal inputs, highlights the breadth of tasks it can manage. Quality over quantity. Nvidia's unique data strategy. Unlike many AI models that prioritize dataset size, NVLM focuses on quality and diversity. Nvidia curated a high-quality text-based dataset to enhance its text performance alongside multimodal math and reasoning data to improve its problem-solving abilities. This meticulous approach ensures that NVLM isn't just versatile, it's precise. Real-world applications. Beyond research. NVLM 1.0 isn't just a research tool. It's a production-grade multimodal AI ready for real-world applications. Its capabilities span across industries. Finance can process invoices or receipts quickly and accurately. Healthcare can digitize handwritten medical records, potentially saving lives. Education can analyze handwritten pseudocode or equations, solve them, and present the results interactively. Content creation understands humor and complex meme structures, making it useful for advertising and entertainment. The future of AI, Nvidia sets a new standard. NVLM 1.0 isn't just excelling in specific areas, it's excelling everywhere. That kind of versatility is a huge leap forward and positions NVLM as a leader in the rapidly evolving AI space. By breaking down barriers and setting new benchmarks, it's paving the way for the next wave of AI development. The release of NVLM 1.0 has sent shockwaves through the AI community. Competitors like OpenAI, Google, and Meta are undoubtedly taking notice as Nvidia's model challenges the status quo in multimodal text-based AI. The industry has long debated the trade-offs between specializing in one area versus excelling in many, and NVLM seems to have cracked the code. One of the most significant reactions comes from researchers who now have access to a cutting-edge model that's also open source. This democratization of AI tools is expected to lead to a surge in innovation, allowing startups and independent developers to compete with established players on a more level playing field. At the same time, NVLM's release raises important questions for the industry. How will competitors respond? Will we see similar open-source initiatives from other major players? What does this mean for the development of more specialized models? Conclusion: the dawn of a new AI era NVLM 1.0 isn't just an impressive model, it's a catalyst for change. By pushing the boundaries of multimodal AI, Nvidia has set a new standard that others will strive to meet. Its open-source availability ensures that innovation will continue at an accelerated pace. With NVLM 1.0, Nvidia has proven that AI isn't just about solving today's problems, it's about imagining what comes next. The impact of this model goes beyond its technical achievements. It represents a paradigm shift in how AI is developed, shared, and applied across industries. The future of AI has arrived, and NVLM 1.0 is leading the charge.